Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. On Tuesday, May 18th, Goldman Sachs consumer banking arm Marcus and C2FO announced a partnership where they plan to get capital into the hands of thousands of small businesses. Joining me to discuss is Ashish, Jain, head of capital markets at C2FO. Ashish, it's great to meet with you. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me, Jill.
And Ashish, explain to the audience where C2FO fits in the capital ecosystem.
Sure, I'm happy to do so. So, Jill, C2FO is a unique ecosystem of over 1.2 million businesses globally. What we do is that we enable access of capital to those businesses, small and medium-sized businesses. And what they're able to achieve via our platform is access to capital via the buyers of their goods. So we sit in the middle between the two. The buyers of these goods are Fortune 1000 companies. And these are companies that you and I both know very well. Companies like TJX, Macy's, Costco's, Pfizer. And so what we focus on is acceleration of payment to small and medium-sized businesses.
And Ashish, why have small businesses traditionally been limited in their ability to lean on banks for fast and easy access to lines of credit? If they're the backbone of the American economy, how come these challenges still exist?
Oh, great question. And the story of small business is one that really resonates with us. I mean, most small businesses run out of cash after 27 days. Right? So it's such a tight cash buffer. And even though right now we're in the midst of this great economic reopening where global GDP is soaring, I mean, the US is probably going to print double-digit GDP growth in Q2. Yet there's still issues underneath the surface for small businesses where they're dealing with inventory issues. They're dealing with supply chain issues in the chip industry and lumber industry. And so traditional bank underwriting and lending is a fine tool. But the way I look at C2FO's platform and the partnership with Marcus is that we're a tool in that liquidity toolkit, right? And we're able to provide low cost and convenient working capital solutions at their fingertips.
How is C2FO and Marcus going to execute on this new partnership and get capital to thousands of small businesses?
You know, Joe, we're really excited to be announcing this partnership between C2FO and Marcus by Goldman Sachs. So as I mentioned earlier, we're a ecosystem of over 1 million businesses globally. So small and medium-sized businesses within the C2FO platform will now have access to affordable credit from Marcus via lines of credit offering. It's a super slick digital process. The underwriting process and rate quote can come in 2 minutes. And I think one reason why they were also excited to partner with us was really goes home to what we were just talking about, where C2FO's created this community of commerce, where there's very unique data insights and values, and most importantly, trusted access. So Marcus choosing to work with us was a key driver behind that, and also why Marcus publicly announced that they work with Amazon and Walmart on similar initiatives.
All right, Ashish, congratulations on the partnership, and thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.